Last year AK Interiors delivered over 100 interior execution projects across India. From banks and corporate offices to large hospitality spaces, we didn't just meet deadlines, we beat them. We delivered quality, we delivered certainty. What made it possible? This, our in-house manufacturing facility. Why we built it? We didn't build a factory because it was trendy. We built it because our clients needed more than vendor. They needed execution partner who could guarantee turnaround time, maintain design fidelity, deliver quality at scale. Now let's look at the product categories we handle. Today this facility allows us to build across categories. Modular furniture for office spaces, workstations, partitions, desks and storage units. Upholstery and soft furnishing, ergonomic sofas, lounge seating, custom ottomans and more. Hospitality solution, reception counters, cafe counters, buffet stations, seating zones. Full guest room interiors, beds, wardrobes, consoles, dressing unit. Let's look at our factory capabilities and machinery. Our factory is not just well planned, it's equipped for precision and scale. Here is what we manage entirely in-house. Laminate pressing for clean, durable finishes, ply cutting with precision for design aligned dimensions, edge bending for seamless detailing, multi-boring for accurate joinery, full service woodwork, sizing, marking, sanding, polishing, metal fabrication, mild steel and stainless steel for frames and detailing, upholstery, structure testing, ergonomic checks, cushioning and stitching. This one is important. Why it matters to our client. Now let's bring this back to you. If you're a bank scaling up branches nationwide, a hotel brand refurbishing rooms, or even looking for a reliable project execution partner, you need faster turnarounds, you need control over finish and material, you need someone who doesn't flinch over multi-location execution. Up to 5 days saved per project, design as per spec, executed to the dot, minimal site chaos since most fit out arrive pre-finished. That's what our in-house manufacturing gives you. We don't treat manufacturing as a back-end support. It's a frontline advantage. It's how we live our customer-first approach by investing ahead of time in the systems that help you scale better. This facility is our promise to you that quality, timeline, and workmanship don't need to be negotiated. This is what we believe execution should look like. Planned, precise, and built around you. That's what AK Interiors delivers.